87 years old, loves cats and gourmet food, a person who values rituals. This is my cat, Little Umbrella. This is the view I see every day. This is also my favorite place. A while ago, I was asked by a friend, of course, I'm happy to buy beautiful pork, as that means I can make fried pork cutlet. After cutting the cabbage into thin strips, soak it in cold water for 10 minutes. However, there's no need to worry about how thin it is. What's most important is that you like it. Sprinkle a little salt to help eliminate bacteria on the surface of the vegetables. Gently remove the thick layer of fat from the pork chop. I prefer to leave a bit of fat so that it retains more flavor during cooking. Then, lightly pound both sides of the pork with the back of a knife. Make a small cut to help it absorb the flavors. The marinade for the pork cutlets is very simple. I like to use sea salt and black pepper, while some people prefer to marinate with rich sauces. However, no matter which method is used, it won't affect the final deliciousness. First, coat with a layer of flour, then dip in the egg mixture. Finally, sprinkle a generous amount of breadcrumbs on top. Deep frying is not very friendly for those living alone, so an air fryer can be used to solve this problem. This is also my first time using an air fryer to make pork cutlets, so I approached it with a mindset of, how bad could it really be? But please, don't let it turn out too badly. The kitten likes to wrap its tail around its body in winter. Perhaps it thinks of its tail as a scarf. Of course, after all, Little Umbrella would never drink the water from her own bowl. Prepare some side dishes during the waiting time. Cherry tomatoes are the most suitable ingredient for garnishing. They are also one of my favorite faux fruits. In the middle, flip the pork chop and continue baking until dry. The sense of ritual in dining seems to have started from school. The tableware in school was always that 4-compartment iron tray, and the aunt who served the dishes liked to pour the sauce from one dish onto another, where a classmate had already placed spicy diced chicken. As a result, a bright red chili lay in my tomato and egg dish. Before becoming a freelancer, I used to look forward to the moment I could leave work on Friday every day. Mondays were the most torturous. Tuesdays felt a bit dull. Wednesdays made me question life. Thursdays brought a little motivation. And by Friday, my mind would start to wander, either planning where to go for the weekend or thinking about which trendy spot to check in at, until Saturday morning would finally arrive. What is it like to spend 2 whole days lying in bed, refusing to get up, and embracing the bed without any plans? After opening my eyes in the morning, I can enjoy breakfast as I please, and then ride my bike around wherever I want. When I see a beautiful view, I stop to observe the impact on the citizens, to think and to feel. Of course, I can't do this on an empty stomach. However, once I actually became a freelancer, I realized that the life I thought would be unplanned actually demands even more discipline, hard work, and creativity from me than before. So there's no need to envy others. Just find your own rhythm and create your own music. When you feel unwilling, you are making progress. When you are in pain, you are growing. When others ask you when you last felt happy, I hope I can answer without hesitation. I'm actually very happy during this conversation with you right now.
A good meal is enough to bring happiness